So last time we recommended Chrome Frame, which is a one-liner that you could put in each HTML file that you have, and then your user will enjoy Chrome inside their IE if they have the Chrome Frame installed. Chrome Web Store, it's actually a very great place both for users and developers. Users can enjoy this place in order to discover great web apps and of course extension and themes to make the Chrome personal. And on the other hand, developers have a very lucrative position to put their apps and enjoy extra capabilities once they are installed through the Chrome store. So it's not just another bookmark that the user are putting inside their browser, but rather enabling them in the installation process to grant this web app more permissions, and then the web app itself won't need to ask the user each time things that are quite annoying, like do you allow this web app to get the geolocation. Once in the installation process the user is granting it, then the app won't bugging him and it will be much smoother. And of course brands can also find very lucrative audience in the Chrome Web Store. This is how it looked today, but I can tell you that quite rapidly it will look very differently. Lots of good new features are going to be there. New York Times/Chrome is a very good example for a web app. Very different from the site itself. You could see that it's giving the user a different perspective of how you can consume the content, and of course the one major benefit here is the offline capabilities, that you could walk through several articles and then the web app will save them locally, and once you are on the plane, for instance, you could keep reading it. Some numbers, so we could see that things are really working there. World Golf Tour reported that they had 147% more in-app transitions on installed apps. Another very good example is SpringPad, that lets you save notes, and they have they just doubled their engagement basically. We have now the Chrome Web Store in 41 languages, and they localized to the market itself in each different country, which is a very nice way for developers in that country to be promoted and get benefits from the local web store that is targeting local users. Of course, monetization. Here the story is very nice. It's only 5% that Google is keeping, and all the rest with no monthly fees, no sign up, nothing behind the scenes, very straightforward, and you as a developer is keeping 95%. What is ChromeOS? So ChromeOS is basically Chrome. They just got hardware around it. And that's a very nice story, because in the end of the day, if you think about it, lots of users are spending the vast majority of their time on the web, and this device is designed and built from the ground up to answer this request. The main three pillars is speed, simplicity, and security, and from the ground up, Chrome is built with the three of them. You could think about the old life or any current laptop or notebook. You have the OS, the BIOS, the hardware, some drivers on the kernel. You have lots of complicated things. Then you have antivirus software and other software that you're installing. And finally, in the end of the day, you're getting to the things that you like and love, like Netflix, YouTube, New York Times, Gmail, and others. And that's a very problematic state. With ChromeOS and the Chromebook, you have everything that you need and nothing but the web. So you have a very thin layer of Chrome, and then you just have your awesome web apps that you could install and enjoy. I think that we'll continue to dig a bit more into Chromebooks in the third and last video. Thank you very much.